There's a certain magic, an undeniable allure to a bucket of KFC fried chicken. The aroma alone, a heady mix of spice and savory goodness, is enough to make stomachs rumble from Louisville to Lisbon. It's a craving that transcends borders and cultures, a testament to the simple yet powerful combination of crispy, juicy chicken and a blend of secret spices. But what is it exactly that makes KFC's fried chicken so universally beloved? Let's embark on a culinary journey to uncover the secrets behind their finger-lickin' good fried chicken. We'll explore the rigorous sourcing of ingredients and the precision cooking techniques that have made KFC a global icon. It's a story of tradition and innovation, honoring the legacy of Colonel Sanders. Get ready to have your appetite whetted as we explore the intricate process behind one of the world's most beloved fast food dishes. The journey of KFC's fried chicken begins long before it hits the fryer. It starts with a commitment to quality, sourcing the finest ingredients to ensure that every bite delivers on the brand's promise of flavor and satisfaction. KFC understands that the foundation of any great dish lies in the quality of its components. The chicken itself, the star of the show, is sourced from trusted suppliers who adhere to strict standards of animal welfare and sustainable farming practices. These chickens are raised with care, ensuring that the meat is tender, juicy, and free from any unwanted flavors. But it's not just about the chicken. Every ingredient that goes into KFC's recipe, from the flour used in the breading to the spices in the secret blend, is carefully selected for its quality and flavor. This dedication to sourcing the best possible ingredients is a testament to KFC's commitment to quality. It's this attention to detail, this unwavering focus on using the finest components, that sets the stage for the creation of their iconic fried chicken. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of KFC's fried chicken is the legendary blend of 11 herbs and spices. This secret recipe, locked away in a vault and known only to a select few, is the stuff of culinary legend. It's a combination of flavors that has captivated taste buds for generations, a testament to the Colonel's genius and the power of a well-guarded secret. While the exact recipe remains a closely guarded secret, we can speculate on the symphony of flavors that dance upon the palate. The warmth of pepper, the earthy aroma of paprika, the subtle tang of mustard, and the fragrant hint of garlic all play their part in creating the signature KFC taste. These spices, sourced from around the world, are combined in precise proportions, a testament to the Colonel's meticulous nature and his understanding of how flavors interact to create something truly special. The result is a flavor profile that is both familiar and unique, a comforting taste of home with a touch of the exotic. Section 4, A Symphony of Flavor, the Art of Marination and Breading. The journey from raw chicken to crispy flavorful goodness involves a carefully orchestrated process, a delicate dance of marination, breading, and frying. Each step plays a crucial role in developing the final product, ensuring that every piece of chicken emerges from the fryer golden brown, crispy, and bursting with flavor. The process begins with marination, a technique that not only infuses the chicken with flavor but also helps to tenderize the meat. KFC uses a buttermilk marinade, a southern tradition known for its ability to break down tough proteins and impart a subtle tanginess. The chicken soaks in this bath of flavor, absorbing the buttermilk's richness, and preparing itself for the next stage of the journey. Once the chicken has been sufficiently marinated, it's time for its cloak of crispy goodness, the breading. This is where the Colonel's secret blend of 11 herbs and spices takes center stage, adding its signature flavor and aroma to the mix. The chicken is dredged in a mixture of flour and spices, ensuring that each piece is evenly coated and ready to embrace the heat of the fryer. Section 5, The Science of Crisp, Precision Frying in the Modern Kitchen. The heart of KFC's operation is the frying station. Here, marinated breaded chicken transforms into a crispy golden brown masterpiece. Frying chicken is a precise science of time, temperature, and technique. KFC uses industrial-sized pressure fryers for consistent results. These fryers maintain a constant temperature of around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure inside helps cook the chicken quickly and evenly. The chicken sizzles and pops, the breading forming a golden brown shield. Trained cooks ensure each piece reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, the chicken is removed and allowed to rest, the excess oil dripping away to reveal a crispy, glistening masterpiece. Section 6. A legacy of flavor. KFC's enduring appeal. From the humble beginnings of a roadside restaurant in Kentucky to its current status as a global fast food giant, KFC's story is one of innovation, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to flavor. The Colonel's secret recipe, a blend of 11 herbs and spices, remains the heart and soul of the brand, a culinary legacy that continues to tantalize taste buds around the world. But KFC's success goes beyond a secret recipe. It's a testament to the power of consistency, the ability to deliver a familiar and comforting experience to millions of customers every day. From the sourcing of ingredients to the precision of the cooking process, KFC has honed its craft, ensuring that every bucket of fried chicken lives up to the brand's reputation for quality and flavor. As we've journeyed through KFC's modern factory, we've witnessed the meticulous attention to detail, the dedication to quality, and the passion for flavor that goes into every piece of chicken. It's this unwavering commitment to excellence that has cemented KFC's place in the culinary landscape, ensuring that the Colonel's legacy of finger-licking good fried chicken continues to thrive.